In front of me is iPad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting one of your apps to use in full screen view. When you're ready, you need to open the dock. In order to do that, swipe up from the bottom edge of the screen until it's revealed. Now select one of those apps and hold the chosen one. When you're ready, drag it to the right or to the left. Then when you see that it's floating like that, let go. As you can see now, I can use my app in this setup window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To close it though, tap on the same three dots and hit close at the bottom of the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!